This example is going to look at a two-dimensional motion. So I'm going to insert the movie for the second question on the practice. Browse to your folder where you copied it. Should be the one with your name beside it. Mine's in the Science 10 folder. It's the wrong one. It's the other Science 10 folder. And then the second question, second video, has a ball. Again, you can drag this out to make it bigger. Open up the tool pane. Advance the video for this until the ball has left the person's hand. Okay. We do the scale first again. In this case, from the top black line to the bottom black line is 1 meter. Often you see a meter stick, but in this case, you see that instead. Set the origin next, third from the top. I'm going to start where it clearly has left his hand. Next, second from the top, start collecting data points. And this ball is small enough, I can just try to click the center of the ball. Again, as you click on the ball to collect the data, it has the vertical and horizontal position versus time plotted behind you on the graph. And I'm going to keep on doing this till it gets out of the frame of view. Okay, so that's about the last one. Right, again, click on the arrow selection tool so you don't accidentally make a bad point. Often if you make a bad point, it's faster to start over than try to delete that point. Click on a graph, again select the data. Notice we have two kinds of data this time because it's two-dimensional motion. I go to the curve fit tool again. I have to do both X and Y. I'll do the X first, the left-right motion. And again, you use linear quadratic. Clearly this one's straight, so I'm going to try the fit. Click OK. It tells me that's left-right, it's going 1.73 meters per second to the right. I have to do the curve fit tool again. I didn't click away, so it's still selected. If you clicked away, you have to select the data again. Left click, hold, and drag to the right. The data selected. Click on that again. The curve fit tool. This time we're looking at the Y. And here it's quadratic. Now sometimes you can't see quadratic, so make sure the slider, you drag it all the way to the top. Click on quadratic, try the fit, and then click OK. In your notes, it told you that the acceleration is 2 times this A value. So this A value is about -5, so 2 times -5 is -10. So the acceleration in the Y direction is -10 meters per second, and that comes from the acceleration to the gravity. It's about -10, so this actually worked out pretty well. Don't forget to save your work. I clicked on the disk there. You could go File, Save. Again, go to the M drive where you stored your test and save your Logger Pro file into there, and this would be question 2. So last name, question QU2. Okay. And the last step, of course, was to copy and paste that entire folder to the Dropbox.